Hello, this is Brian Dilley, and we're going to grade some assignments here. And I'm going to show you that I know how to do that. So, first of all, here we are in our Sandbox dashboard, and it shows all of the to-do items here on the side that need graded. So let's grab a quiz here, and we'll grade the quiz first. Now here we have our student Chad. He's doing a thing about chemicals, which I know nothing about. So methylene chloride using the 4 steps specified by the National Academy of Sciences. I see that there's 4 steps here, and I'm going to assume Chad knows what he's talking about, not being a chemist. So I'm going to give him 3 points. But then I want to tell him that they did a great job. Now there are no templates, so I'm going to add a template here, which will just be my generic good job template. All right. And we'll, oops, I did that. Okay, so there's our feedback, and then we submit the score. All right. Oh, it looks like there's more than one assignment here. I thought this was just number 2. We need to grade number 1 still. Looks like I didn't notice that he already did his multiple choice here. It would help if I was actually grading a test in my class. I would know what's going on here. So I need to give a score for number 1 here. And it looks like he got this one wrong. So I'm not sure why it's not filling out the percentage score automatically. So if I give him 3 points, 0 and 3. Alright. Well, looks like I may need to ask a question because that should have worked. But, oh, here it is. It does have Chad. Chad got 77%, which is what it should be. So, it did work. All right, so let's go to the assignment. We'll keep scoring Chad here. Chad's doing the assignment. We've got the document here talking about microtheme physics concepts. So we're going to open it. And it's baseball physics here, talking about velocity and acceleration. And it looks like he's done a good job of explaining how velocity changes in using baseball. So again, not being a physics person, I think this looks great. So we're going to say, did he explain the concept correctly? Best to my knowledge. Is it explained clearly? Yes, the baseball analogy was good, and it was free of spelling, punctuation, and grammar, and it actually was. So this was well done. Now again, I can insert a template here. Another good job. Only I'm going to personalize this. Say, great work as always, Chad. So he knows I'm actually reading his work. We'll submit that assignment. We see here that he got 100% on that assignment. And so let's go to a discussion board. And I guess we'll go ahead and stick with Chad, see what Chad's discussion is. He posted 40 words saying we need to be respectful of each other's in the discussions. We can't be rude because it's just like we're talking face to face. So that sounds great. It's a little boring. So maybe I want to add a template saying what more detail, and I'll say great comment, but too brief add some more information to make your point. So I'm going to specify that this is for discussions. Alright, so we'll save that comment. And I'm going to give him an 85, I guess, because he made a good point, but dropped down to 80. I don't like giving lots of points for 2-sentence answers, 3-sentence answers here. Alright, so we'll go ahead and submit his 80 points, and we see he got his 80%. So that is how you grade here in the grade book. Now, there's, go back to the dashboard. I want to go look at the grade book itself, and then we can see that Chad here now has their assignments showing up here on the dashboard, and we have the average scores of the 2 assignments that have been graded so far, and we can do all sorts of other things like display options. We could take a look and see whether or not Chad is participating here in the course and looking at the various parts of the assignments. Has he read these pages? So there's all sorts of interesting things that can be done with the gradebook. So hopefully that completes this assignment to show that I do in fact know how to grade people using the gradebook. Thanks.